You're looking for a microphone for gaming or for just content creating that's under a budget but has a good audio output. This is the Maono DM30 RGB USB microphone, and I've been itching to get my hands on this bad boy for quite some time. But before we dive in, full disclosure, Maono sent over this microphone for me to test it out, but as always, you're going to get my unfiltered, unbiased thoughts on whether this mic lives up to your expectations. So let's talk about what's in the box. When you crack it open, you are greeted with this sleek, modern-looking microphone that just screams quality. Despite being primarily made of plastic, it feels surprisingly robust and well-constructed. Plus, it's RGB. If you're the type of person who loves colorful lighting setup, you can add this one to your design. Now, let's talk about functionality. On the bottom, you got the Maono branding along with multifunctional knob that controls everything from mic gain to headphone volume. Including USB-C and 3.5mm headphone jack, this microphone leaves no stone unturned in delivering convenience and versatility. Maono didn't skip on accessories either. You get this metal desktop stand that adds stability and can be easily swapped out for a mic arm, if that's more your style. And let's not forget about the cable. It's high quality and even comes with a handy Type-C to Type-A converter for maximum compatibility. Alright, enough about the aesthetics. Let's down to the nitty-gritty. Performance. The DM30 features a cardioid pickup pattern, perfect for solo content creators looking to minimize background noise. And let me tell you, setup couldn't be easier. It's plug and play, no additional software required. But for those who like to fine-tune their audio experience, there's the MaonoLink software. It's intuitive, allowing you to adjust mic settings, RGB lighting, and even play around with EQ settings for that perfect sound. Performance-wise, the Maono DM30 truly shines. Sporting a cardioid pickup pattern and advanced noise suppression technology, this microphone excels in capturing crisp, clear audio while minimizing background noise. Whether you're recording podcasts, streaming games, or hopping on conference call, the DM30 delivers crystal clear audio with minimal distortion. And with a sampling rate of 24 bits at 48 kHz, you're getting studio quality sound without breaking the bank. And what's amazing is that I'm using the Maono DM30 right now recording this video's audio. What do you think? As you can hear, the DM30 captures vocals with clarity and fidelity, making it the ideal choice for a wide range of applications from content creation to professional communication. So will you buy this mic? Is it worth it for its price? Comment down below and share your thoughts. There you have it, my in-depth review of the Maono DM30 RGB USB microphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.